Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Reels not uploading problem. First of all, open your phone setting and here you have to scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps. After tapping manage apps, you have to search for Facebook. Tap on it. You have to tap on storage. In bottom there is clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache and tap on OK. And this might fix your issue, but if this still does not fix your issue, then what you have to do is open up your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, tap on it. After that, here if you have an update option, then you can tap on update and update your Facebook. That will fix your issue, but if this still does not fix your issue, then what you have to do is open up your Facebook application. On the upper right corner you will have 3 bar icon. Tap on it. After that, scroll down, tap on help and support. After that, tap on report a problem. Scroll down and tap on continue to report a problem. Then tap on include in report. Now you can select what problem that you are facing on. Scroll down. So if you have problem with the reels, then you can select videos. And then you can also add attachment by tapping upload from phone. After that, you can tap on upper right corner, which is a send button. And that's it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in next video. Thank you.